How to share your Quora space to WhatsApp directly, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Quora space to WhatsApp directly, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to your profile and choose your space. For example, this is the space that I want to share on WhatsApp. And after you choose your space, now go to the top corner right here and click on those three dots or those three dots, and then click on the share option. Now go down until you find the WhatsApp right here, and here is it. Click on WhatsApp and choose the person that you want to share with, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.